Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to delete the saved password from your Microsoft Edge browser, then this video is for you. So first of all, you have to open the Edge browser on your phone. Then click this three menu icon. Now tap on this settings. Now you can see the password tab here. Just tap on it and scroll down. You can see the password here. So if you want to delete which one, just tap on this and you can see the delete icon here. Now tap on delete. It will delete the password. So now scroll down and select which one you want to delete. Just tap it and delete this. So this is how you can delete the saved password from your Edge browser. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.